Welcome to this Cribl University Criblet. Courses within the Criblet curriculum are meant to help you quickly learn, or most likely review, key features, steps, processes, and more. The focus of this particular module will walk you through how to attach workers to leaders. Let's jump on in and get right to it. Before we begin, there are a couple of things you need to know before trying to attach your worker to your leader. First, all worker nodes hosts must enable ongoing outbound communication to the leader's port 4200 to enable the leader to manage the workers. Second, while the Bootstrap script runs, make sure the firewalls on the worker nodes allow outbound communication to the port listed above. Now, let's get started. There are two ways to connect your worker node to the leader node. The first way is to use the Bootstrap to download, install, and configure the latest version of Cribl Stream. The second way is to download Cribl Stream by going to the website or downloading the software using curl. Let's look at our first option. Cribl Stream admins can use the UI to concatenate and copy-paste the Bootstrap script. From Stream's navigation menu, select Workers to get a list of your workers in your worker group from the leader. Next, click on the Add Update Worker Node button and select Linux and then Add. You'll then want to copy the script. The script will allow you to change the user and installation directory to use for the installation. Make sure to have the user Cribl, which is the default user already created in your environment. The script also provides the worker group, the auth token, and the leader URL. Something to remember: to use these options, you must have the admin role on a distributed deployments leader node with an enterprise license. Another way to attach workers to leaders is to download Stream by going to the website or downloading the software using curl. Once the software is downloaded and successfully installed, go to your Stream Leader UI. From Stream's navigation menu, select Workers to get a list of your workers in your worker group from the leader. However, this time, when you click the Add Update Worker button, instead of clicking on Linux, and then Add, you will select Update. Next, select CLI for the script type, and finally copy and run the script that tells Stream how to connect to your leader. Now, let's see this whole process in action. To start, click on Workers. On this screen, you will see the Add Update Worker Node button. You will have the option to select Linux, and then select Add. On this screen, you will have the ability to change the worker group you want the worker node to join, and then be able to copy the correct script by clicking on Copy Script. It's that easy. So here are a few things to remember. First, make sure you have the correct ports open between your worker node and your leader. Next, remember that you can either run the Bootstrap script to automatically install and configure Cribl Stream or download Cribl Stream and then run a script to connect your worker node to the leader node. And last, don't forget to get your Cribl Goat-Aider in the resource tab of this course. Thank you for watching this Criblet.